At that time, their name was okay. At that time, their name was known Franco and Persia. Okay, but now the Franco is known as a France or French, you can say, and the Persia is Germany. Okay, this is the lesson actually about that war time. During war time, what was there? Actually, two districts of this French, it was occupied by the French. French two districts, Lawrence, Alsace and Lawrence. These two districts were captured by German. जर्मन ने उनको कैप्चर कर लिया था एंड नाउ देयर वाज ए ऑर्डर फ्रॉम द जर्मन that in place of French, the German would be taught in those two districts of French speaking areas because those two districts belong to France. France के थे, French was their language, native language and all, but now they imposed German on those two French speaking people, French speaking. Now what is the importance of language? उस लैंग्वेज की क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है एंड हाउ इट विल मतलब व्हाट वाज द इफेक्ट ऑन द स्टूडेंट्स माइंडसेट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट टीचर एंड द पीपल व्हाट दे वर थिंकिंग अबाउट आफ्टर रिसीविंग द ऑर्डर दैट जर्मन वुड बी टॉट इन दोस टू डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ऑफ फ्रांस फ्रांस की उन दो डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में जब ये जर्मन पढ़ाने का एक आदेश उनका ऑर्डर आया था व्हाट वाज द इफेक्ट ऑन दैट उन पर क्या इफेक्ट हुआ था दैट ईयर ओके actually there are mainly two characters in this one is the French is a student ये एक student होता है and Mr. Hamel is a teacher French teacher होता है now French first day when the this chapter start actually French was ready for school वो school के लिए तैयार तो हो गया था but he did not want to go वो जाना नहीं चाहता था what was the reason because Mr. Hamel French teacher has given homework उसको homework दिया था to learn participles participles is the grammar topic जो known finance में in 10th also you might have come across that participles and he French he did not know anything about the party he never took interest in the language actually that was the pitiable condition of people and it can be anywhere in the country किसी भी देश में हो जाती है this is a normal situation because we don't love our native language or we don't love our mother tongue हम अपनी mother tongue को we don't take seriously हम उसको seriously नहीं लेते हैं that's the way okay so he also took in that way उसने भी ऐसे ही लिया था and there were some faults at the parts of all parents teachers and even the students everyone means they everybody is responsible for that उसके लिए हर कोई responsible होता है and now he is ready for the school and because he did not want to go so first there will be a question why did he want to skip the school वो school को skip क्यों करना चाहता था that was the reason because he did not he was fearing of scolding of Mr. Hamel M Hamel जो French teacher थे उनकी scolding डांट फटकार से डरने के लिए he did not want to go why he did not want to go because he has not prepared his homework उसने because the homework was given to learn topic participle को याद करने के लिए दिया था and he was not knowing anything वो कुछ नहीं जानता था now next but still he decided because he was more interested towards the outside natural things and all because chirping of birds and all and the trees garden and all everything they attract him more उसको ज़्यादा attract करते थे and that's why he wanted to stay out of the school on that day उस दिन but anyhow he registered his emotions उसने अपनी feeling को register किया उसको रोका and he started for the school के लिए start हो गया okay then he reached in the town hall में देखा there was a big crowd in front of the bulletin board क्या होता है जहाँ पर news flash होते हैं like in newspaper office and all आप देखा होगा on the top of the building there is one board they put and in that the news headlines breaking news and all it's going on वो जाती हैं in a electronic way से वो चलती रहती है like this you can see okay so he saw a big crowd and that bulletin board has brought all the bad news for the last 2 years क्योंकि 2 साल से इसी तरह की bad news आ रही थी about the any order of the commanding officers and all जो commanding officer थे वहाँ के जो command करता था actually administrator you can say because these two districts were captured by Germany ने capture कर लिया था and it was under the administration उनकी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के अंदर में थे एंड दे वर गिविंग ऑल सॉर्ट ऑफ ऑर्डर्स एंड ऑल वो सारे तरह के ऑर्डर वहाँ पर इश्यू होते थे दैट्स व्हाई दिस बोर्ड इट वाज ए वेरी बैड रादर कैन से न्यूज़ डिस्प्ले बोर्ड फॉर देम उनके लिए बहुत ही मतलब बुरी तरह के समाचार आते रहते So today it was also again great rush. वहाँ पर there was a big crowd, वहाँ पर big crowd था, and he did not see, he did not care for that because it was a routine. उसने routine था, and he started running for the school. School के लिए उसने दौड़ना शुरू किया. But at the back, actually, one blacksmith he called. एक blacksmith था, and with his two apprentice he came. Apprentice means learner, जो उसके under trainee होते हैं. And he called him and he told him, Bab actually has used, that is the boy, young boy rather you can say. Bab, you will get your school there. There is a plenty of time. काफी समय है कि आपने अपना स्कूल वहां पर वहीं मिल जाएगा. डोंट वरी अबाउट, यू शुड नॉट रन. मतलब उसका कहने का मतलब, बिकॉज ही केम टू नो अबाउट द न्यूज, क्योंकि उसको न्यूज का पता लग गया था व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, क्या होने वाला. वेयर एज फ्रेंड्स ही वाज नॉट नोइंग दैट, फ्रेंड्स को पता नहीं था. Now this is first, why did not want to, why did he want to skip the school, why did he want to miss the school. There can be why he did not want to go to the school, that is the reason, participle. And secondly, he was not interested because he was more attracted towards the outside things. जो बाहर की चीजें होती हैं उनकी तरफ वो ज्यादा attracted होता था. That was that. Now second, when he entered into the school, now what, after crossing the gardens and all, he saw that, he observed, he felt that it was just like a Sunday, silent Sunday. जैसे संडे को साइलेंस होता, there is no movement and all, there is no sound at all, and it was like that only. Because earlier what type of sound they could hear, दूसरे दिन उनको क्या sound होती, opening and closing of drawers, unison this learning of lessons, unison and wrapping of rulers, जो stick होती है, rulers होते हैं. It means you can say that even the teachers, they were having ruler at that time in the advanced country like Germany and France and all. At that time also they were using stick. Okay, it means stick is very important. It play a very vital role in civilized society. But we should know how to use it. That's the main. Okay, and where to use. How to use it and where to use. Okay, let's not go into that point. Okay, so these sort of three sounds normally they used to hear on a normal routine working day. Routine working day में जो दो sound होती थी, ये तीन sound होती थी, ये सुनाई देती थी. What was that? Reciting of lesson in unison, इकट्ठे मिलके गाना, उसको in a loud sound. And normally, secondly, opening and closing of dryers and wrapping of rulers, wrapping, striking on the bench के ऊपर ruler की आवाज आनी, stick की आवाज आनी. This was. Now it was as good, it was as silent as Sunday. Sunday की तरह silence. Now when he entered, he peeped through the window, peephole into the room, classroom. He was totally surprised. Now this is the classroom scene. You should be able to differentiate what was the scene in the school and what was the scene in the classroom. Classroom, it was totally different. What was the scene? All the students, they were on their seats. सारे स्टूडेंट वो अपनी सीट पर बैठे हुए थे. And even Mr. Hamel, he was in a ceremonial uniform, good clothes, which he used to wear on prize distribution. या तो जब prize distribution होता था, that sort of cloth he used to wear, or on the inspection day, or inspection day, या inspection के दिन वो पहनता था इस तरह के कपड़े, या on the prize distribution day. And on that day he was in his best clothes. So अपने best clothes में था, or you can say in ceremonial uniform. And now what did he see in the class? Actually he wanted to enter into the room without being observed. बिना observe किए वो उसमें enter करना चाहता था. But he could not do. In front of everyone, he had to go. उसने जाना. When he entered into the room, he was surprised to see Mr. Hamel. He was in a ceremonial uniform because he was late. And instead of scolding him, उसको scold करने की बजाय very politely he asked him to take his seat. उन्होंने बिल्कुल politely उसको अपनी seat. This was the change he observed. Sometimes there may be question, what change did you observe in Mr. Hamel on that day? उस दिन Mr. Hamel में क्या change? Okay, then he took the seat, and he was surprised to see at the back benches, which normally remained unoccupied. उस पर कोई नहीं बैठता था back benches पे, because brilliant minds are very hardly be found in. Because back benches are empty, it means there is no brilliant mind. Because brilliant mind can be found on the back benches only. Only पर जो back benches पर brilliant mind होता, that is this statement is given by our missile man, late Dr. Abdul Kalam. Okay. So on that day, actually the old people of the villagers, they were sitting on those benches. They were sitting, all mayor, old people and all. They came. Actually, why did they come? Because they came to pay respect to Mr. Hamel, who has put up 40 years of dedicated service towards their mother tongue. उनकी मदर टंग के लिए उन्होंने जो 40 वर्ष की सेवा की थी, to pay their respect, वो respect देने के लिए वो आए हुए, because it was the last lesson and next day onwards German would be taught in those two districts of this one France. उनकी फ्रांस की उन दो डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जर्मन पढ़ाई जाएगी. That was the now when the class started, after entering into the class, what did he observe? He observed two things. First of all, behavior of Mr. Hamel. Second, he was in a ceremonial uniform. And third, the back benches were occupied by the old people of the village. Everyone was very serious, even including Mr. Hamel. Mr. Hamel, because they were actually he wanted to arouse the patriotic feelings among the people and the students. उनमें वो feeling एक देशभक्ति की भावना जगाना चाहता था. Okay, so now when he started lesson, he taught about the language. पहले language के बारे में बताया, and he told that French is the beautiful language and most logical language in the world. दुनिया में सबसे अच्छी language है, सबसे सुंदर language. And he also told the people of those two districts, because now those two districts are will be under this one Germany, and German would be taught. It means their identity and all everything they are going to lose now. अब उनको अपनी identity, but the pitiable condition of the people was that they were French people, still they were not knowing how to speak French and how to write. It means they were not having knowledge of their mother tongue. उनको अपनी mother tongue का भी knowledge नहीं, and now their identity will be in the danger. अब खतरे में थी उनकी identity. That's why he told you attach to you, learn more and more about your language, and you attach to your language. आप अपनी language के साथ रहो. अगर आप if you are united and you are attached to your language, it means you have the key to freedom. ये इसमें phrases use किए हैं. You have the key to freedom. आपके पास मतलब आजाद होने की एक चाबी रहेगी. If you are attached to your language, अगर आप अपने language, otherwise you will lose your identity and you will mixed up with other people. दूसरों के साथ मिल जाओगे. Okay, that he told. Then he started asking the question. जब उसने question पूछे, Mr. जो French से first question he put up, and he was confused at very first point. पहले ही point पे वो confused हो गया. He was unable to speak anything on the topic. उस topic पर वो कुछ भी नहीं बता पाया. And Mr. Hamel just told him, instead of scolding, try to listen carefully. Okay, I'm trying to explain with the point of your question answers also. Okay, what type of questions answer are and how you have to answer. That's why I'm giving more and more detail about this. He was confused even at the first point itself. He was unable to answer. But and Mr. Hamel only told you might have learned. You might have learned. And for this, actually, he made responsible everyone, because students they did not care. Parents also. He told the parents are also responsible for this state. Is condition के लिए parents be responsible हैं, because they for the sake of money, to earn some money, instead of sending them to the school, they have sent them to work. उनको काम के लिए भेज दिया. Students they were very careless that they are also they must be serious in the class, and even he himself made responsible. He also told, actually I am also blamed for that. I am also to be blamed for that. मुझे भी blame करना चाहिए. मतलब I am also responsible for this state. इस condition के लिए I am also. Had I not sent you for watering the flowers, flowers को पानी देने के लिए नहीं भेजा होता. And when he used to go for fish catching and all, fish catching के लिए I should have not given you leave. आपको छुट्टी नहीं दी होती. Means I should be more responsible towards my duty. ड्यूटी की तरफ मुझे ज्यादा और रिस्पॉन्सिबल और डेडिकेटेड होना चाहिए था. It means he started making responsible everyone, and he's himself, parents as well as the students. And then when it was when the clock struck 12, जब 12 बजे की घड़ी मतलब घड़ी में जब 12 बजे, he got up, he wanted to say something. वो कुछ कहना चाहता था, but because he was full of emotions, वो अपने emotion से भरा हुआ था, and that's why he was unable to speak anything. It means something choked him. He wanted to speak, and then he then he took a chalk, एक chalk लेता है, and he wrote on the blackboard in a big bold letter. Bold letter में लिखा. What did he write? Vive la France, means live long France. Live long France, that he left, because he was going to leave that town. And just he made his gesture that the class was over. He made hint with the neck that the class was, he was unable to bear that separation, and he just stood against the wall, against wall के against में वो खड़ा हो गया था, and he was unable to speak anything. Just he write, Vive la France, Vive la France. Okay, students, this is the chapter. Tomorrow I'll ask questions. कल इसके question पूछूंगा. Please try to come. Everyone try to join. Whether you are answering something else, don't worry about that. Your participation is more important for me, because if you are not able to answer, you will learn something.